In today's guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix apps freezing or crashing issues after updating to iOS 26. If you run into this problem, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through several easy fixes. But before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. The first thing I recommend doing is trying to just force close the frozen app. To do this, swipe up from the bottom or double press the home button if you're on older devices, and find whatever app is frozen and swipe it away. If your screen itself is frozen though, do a force restart by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then holding the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This is going to reload the system and often does clear temporary app issues. If that's not the issue though, make sure your apps are up to date. After a big iOS update, apps do need more updates for compatibility. To do this, open up the App Store and tap on the profile icon up in the top right, and then scroll down and you're going to see all of your apps right here. Go ahead and go through and update every single one of them. This is going to ensure that your apps are running versions designed for iOS 26. On top of that, if your iPhone is low on storage, if your iPhone is low on storage, apps may actually freeze. A quick way to check this is going into your settings and then scrolling down to general, and then in here there's going to be an iPhone storage section. Open this up, and if you're nearly full, delete unused apps, photos, or videos to free up space. You need to have at least 10 to 15 gigabytes free. If you're using the Liquid Glass AI on iOS 26, try switching back to default. You can do this by just pressing and holding down on the screen and then selecting edit and then customize and then switch back to default, just because some apps may not fully support the new UI effects, which can cause freezing. But if the problem still does continue, go ahead and navigate into settings and then scroll down until you get to general. And from here, scroll down all the way down to the bottom until you see this transfer or reset phone. Just select reset and then hit reset all settings. This is going to restore system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and preferences, but it's not going to delete any of your personal data. And finally, just remember that iOS 26 is brand new. Apple does usually release quick updates like iOS 26.1 or 26.2 within a few weeks to fix bugs. You can check back under settings, general, and then software update and install any latest fix when it does arrive. But I'm going to wrap this video up here. If this did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.